In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam family sharing not working. If family sharing isn't behaving the way it should, we'll walk through a clean, reliable way to reset permissions. Confirm required settings. And avoid the most common pitfalls that block access. Start by refreshing your authorizations. Open Steam, go to Settings, then Family. Click Manage to see the devices and accounts that currently have access. Revoke any authorized devices you don't actively use, especially if you've tried sharing on multiple computers or with many friends. This clears out stale entries that can confuse Steam. After that, log back in on the computer you want to share with and reauthorize it from the same family screen. Think of this like unplugging and plugging back in a misbehaving USB device. It forces Steam to rebuild the correct permissions for the specific machine and account you actually want to use. Next, confirm everyone is in the same region. Family sharing requires all members to reside in the same country, and their Steam store region must match. If one person's account or store region is set to a different country, sharing will fail. This isn't something you can bypass. It's part of Steam's policy. If someone recently moved or traveled and their store country changed, you'll need to align regions before sharing will work again. While you are in Settings, open the Family tab and make sure Authorize Library Sharing on this device is checked. This switch is easy to overlook, and if it's off, nothing else will fix the issue. After enabling it, restart Steam and test again. For the initial setup or when accepting an invite, it helps to be on the same household network. Connect both computers to the same internet connection, ideally the same Wi-Fi. This reduces different household errors and ensures Steam recognizes the relationship between devices. If you are setting up remotely and run into trouble, waiting until both machines can share the same connection often resolves it quickly. Finally, verify that both accounts have Steam Guard enabled and that you haven't exceeded the limit of 10 different accounts authorized to share your library. Steam Guard is Steam's built-in two-factor protection, and family sharing won't work without it. If you've shared with too many accounts in the past, go back to Manage in the Family settings. Remove unused accounts and try again. This keeps your list tidy and avoids hitting the cap. With these checks, refreshing authorizations, matching regions, enabling the sharing toggle, using the same network for setup, and confirming Steam Guard and account limits, you should be back to sharing your library smoothly. Thanks for watching.